Hello! Today is the first day of the challenge. So, let's do the 5 Tibetan rites together. This is the first week and we are going to repeat every exercise, there are 5, about 3 times. So, let's get started. Make sure you relax your body. Stay straight like that to the end of the mat. Raise up your arms. Make sure fingers together and just across like that. So this is the first position you're going to start. And you rotate your body to the right. We're going to do 3 routes. So if you're ready, just make sure, again, relax your body, straight up, raise your arms on the side, and rotate slowly to the right. This is 1, 2, and 3. So now you probably feel some dizziness. Just put your arms on your waist. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. One more. Deep breath in and exhale. Now, the second exercise. You just lay down flat. Make sure your arms are besides you. On the same time, when you inhale, you will put your legs and head up. Head closer to the chest and legs up how much you can. So this is the second exercise. We're going to do 3 repetitions. Take a deep breath in. On the same time, put your head up and also leg up. If they're like that on the knees, if you cannot stretch enough, it's fine. So you can do like that as far as you can. Just take a deep breath in and then come back, exhale and relax. Again, inhale, exhale, put it down. One more time, inhale and exhale down. That's the second exercise. Now the third one. So before we go to the third exercise, we are going to sit and take a deep breath in. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale. One more. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now, the third exercise. You're on your knees, like that. Put your hands behind your thighs. That's because you need support when you put your head backward. So make sure your chin starts with the close to the chest. You inhale the same time and then bend backward. So inhale and exhale when you come back. Inhale and exhale when you come back. So don't go a lot farther like that. Just keep it very short and very slowly. One more time. Inhale and exhale back. So that's the third exercise. Have a seat, take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. One more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now the fourth Tibetan rite is when you sit like that with your legs straight ahead, apart, shoulder wide apart, and just put your hands close to your body for support. And you're going to do tabletop, which is you inhale and you raise your torso up and exhale and come down. Now we're going to do together. Put your chin to the chest, inhale and exhale. Inhale, tight your muscles a little bit, and now exhale. Inhale and exhale. That's the fourth exercise. Now take a deep breath in with your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. One more. The fifth exercise is about down dog or cobra. So we are going to do two, which is similar to them. And we are going to start with shoulder wide apart with your hands, and then legs a little bit further than your shoulders, and put your head up like that. Inhale and make sure now it's close to your chest, and exhale, come down. Inhale, slowly up, chin to the chest, exhale, come down. One more, inhale and exhale, come down. Now you can stretch a little bit your body and take deep breath in, exhale, one more, and one more. So this is the first day from the 5 Tibetan rites. I hope you feel great right now, and make sure the next day, tomorrow, you're going to repeat again the same sequence, the same exercise. Make sure you take a shower before you do the exercise, and we'll see you in the morning. Bye now.